Estate.
Okay, folks, I'm going to share some information with you. Larry Pesavento for TFNN. This is the Treasury notes and bonds we've been watching. We're going to look at the notes today because this is when the jobs report came out. You'll notice that the high was exactly 0.618 of the high from right here. And remember, we talked about this move right here was exactly like that move right there within just a few pips. It's already moved down $1,000. That is a lot in notes, folks. That tells you that interest rates are going to go higher. That's what it's saying. Now, I want to go through just a couple others just to show you how some of these things work. Now, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and here is the low of the report. You'll see here that we went exactly to the 61% retracement of that move right here. What's important is that once we went below that, guess what happened? We're down in this area right here. Now, in fact, we're a little below that right now. The next one we're going to take a look at here is the NASDAQ. Now, here's the NASDAQ from the low yesterday. There was the high, and there was a low right now. And, of course, it's trading way down in here right now. That's telling you something's not right. In my opinion, of course. And the next one we're going to take a look at is the stop and P. There it is, almost to the exact tick, 1 point off. We rallied all the way up here and then all the way back down. And folks, we're way below here right now. That's telling us that the market maybe has changed direction, whether it's due to that jobs report or not. I'm not really sure, but that's just what I'm watching. And I hope the fact that these things hit those exact numbers at those times, folks, that's not by accident. That means those folks that run these computer games, they call the stock market, have orders setting right there. I mean, when it hit it exactly, all four of them, the four major, especially the notes, that's the largest market in the world for commodities. Shut the front door and raise the rent. Let's see how much time we got left on the wall. We got plenty of time coming up, I know, but I got to get the old clock up here. And we got 40 seconds left, so we'll get up here. And what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be looking at a whole bunch of things today. But a couple of them, I think, are really, well, they may or may not be dramatic. They're dramatic for me because I'm watching them real close. But one of the ones we're going to talk about here when we come back from the break is silver. This is the hourly chart on silver. And as you can see, the ABCD from yesterday, there's a report. Look at this, folks. Can you believe that? This is where it went up to, and look where it is now. It's already broken down through that, in fact, it's way below there. I haven't even... well, there it is. It's updating right there at 32.43. So that wasn't perfect.